What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2011 Kawasaki KLR 650, one of my favorite bikes. This is the walk around video. I'm going to show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. Guys, this is basically a big venture bike. But it errs so heavily on the dirt side. It's got plastics, guys. I mean, obviously there's going to be some scrapes and scuffs. Look at those plastics. Some scuffs. This bike is awesome, though. I mean, these bikes, I don't know if you watched Sean's test drive on this bike. He rode it home literally in a flood because it's got that awesome tread on the tires. They can really crush anything. It's such a good, reliable bike. There's scratches. It's got stickers on it. It's got this giant skid plate underneath so you can just murder rocks. It's got these Tusk off-road pegs, which I believe do not come stock. That's a pretty expensive peg, but it really grips your shoe. It's pretty awesome. I'm a big fan of this bike, guys, but here's the walk around. Obviously it's been scraping up against stuff. I got a little cracked right there. I don't even know what that is. Maybe it held like a highway peg. I doubt it. Scuff along there. I mean, this is kind of the nature of the beast with these bikes. You kind of ride them like a dirt bike on, back roads and stuff like that. They just crush the dirt. It's got super aggressive, and this is actually, I've seen even way more aggressive tread than this. A one we sold before had even more aggressive. It's got that zero gravity windshield. This side looks a little bit cleaner. We got scuff on the bar there. Scuffs on the bark busters. So I don't think they're busting any bark. I like the ones that connect, connect the two. So I had on my dirt bike. Scuffs, a little bit, scuff. I mean, it's kind of the nature of the beast of these. Does have a battery tender. It's kind of, this is just a man's bike, which is kind of what I love about it. You can ride it anywhere. Super aggressive. I can't believe this RAM mount is still on it because I really want it for my phone. But because I'm doing the walk around, I don't know if it's going to be on there, to be honest with you. I don't know. I might take it off, use it for my phone. This bike is awesome. Here we go. Let's fire it up. They're all carbureted, and you gotta, every once in a while, I gotta sit on the choke for a couple seconds. It literally sounds like a full-fledged dirt bike, guys. 12,784 miles on it. I love this bike. I'm going to keep riding it till it sells. So those miles might go up. It's just because it's just ripping around on it. Super fun. You can literally ride them anywhere. Buy this bike, take it through your neighbor's cornfield. Don't tell them it was you. But that's literally what these bikes are for. So yeah, thanks a ton for watching, guys. 2011 KLR 650.